Today on the live stream, I got asked, Mike, is there a way that you can use TradingView with Apex Trader funding without having to pay a subscription for TradingView? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step guide on how to set up Apex Trader funding. Stay tuned to the end because I'm also going to share with you guys a way you can find which prop firm best suits your needs and how to fix this error message. Now, today on the live stream, the question about could TradingView be used for free with Apex Trader funding could not have come at a better time, because right now Apex is 80% off all their accounts, and there's special pricing for the 150K, 250K, and 300K accounts. If you guys want to take advantage of those offers, don't forget to use promo code Mike at checkout. So I did a quick Google search real quick just to see, can you connect a broker account on a free TradingView account? And we see right here, yes, you can connect brokers to TradingView on free basic plans. The feature to trade directly from charts via supported brokers is included in the free plan, allowing you to link brokerage accounts like TradeStation, TradeAvate, AMP. However, the free manual trading integration does not include automated strategy execution via web hooks. Just to double check real quick, I went right over to TradingView's website, came under products, went to pricing, and then I went ahead and scrolled down because we are looking for the free plan. Right under here where it says basic, this is going to be the free plan. Now, if we go ahead and we scroll through here real quick, there's a lot of differences between the free and the other accounts. And I will say that TradingView is a very, very good web-based trading platform. We come all the way down here and see where it says trading through selected brokers, check mark. And we already talked about TradeAvate is one of the selected brokers. And since a lot of prop firms out there like Apex Trader Funding does have the option for CQG data, aka TradeAvate connections, that allow us to trade our Apex accounts on TradingView. So how do we go about setting this up? There's really two ways to go about setting this up. First, we got to figure out which account we want to buy. If we scroll on down here real quick, we know right now Apex is having an 80% sale. However, when you look at the pricing right here, you see $187, $197, $297. However, if you go to Prop Firm Mike, you can simply click on Apex, bring it to this page, and we can see each account. And what's very important about this is not only are we going to see what the fee is of each account size, but you're also going to see the true cost. So how much is it going to cost for the evaluation? And then once you pass the evaluation, what is the combined total you're going to pay for this account to actually get into a funded account? Right now, the 50K account, all in, you'd be in for about $114. And what's even best, if you want to scroll down here real quick, you can not only see all the rules for the evaluation, we can also see the hard breach rules. We can see the excluded countries, and we can see all the funded rules, and it goes into all the detail you need to see. So now let's go ahead and assume that you've already picked the Apex account that you want to trade in, and you went ahead and purchased it. Hopefully you use code Mike at checkout. Well, then you're going to be brought right here to your dashboard, and there's going to be some information you need to pay very close attention to. Right over here, you need to make sure that when you purchase the account that you actually purchase the TradeAvate connection. So let's rewind real quick and go back. As you scroll down, you can see that Apex offers 3 different account types. We have the wealth charts, we also have rhythmic plan, and we also have TradeAvate plans. Now, in order to be able to connect Apex with TradingView, you need to make sure that you are selected on the TradeAvate plan. Then once we're in the back, you're going to need to make sure you have your username and password, and you're going to simply want to have it available to copy and paste inside of TradeAvate. So now we want to come over here to TradeAvate real quick, and right up here in the top portion of the screen where it says login, we simply click on login. And now those credentials that we just talked about over in Apex, we need to make sure we copy and paste them into here. When we come back over, look at Apex dashboard, we want to go where it says username, copy that. And then we want to go ahead and paste it right over here in TradeAvate under username. Then we need to come back over here to the Apex dashboard, right there where it says password, simply copy it, paste it right over here under password. Then the next step we want to do is go ahead and click login. Now, this is where it's going to ask us, right? Professional, non-professional. Most people are going to be non-professional. Then click next. Then I'm going to go ahead and click I have read, and I'll go ahead and sign this real quick. Go ahead and put my name in, the date, August 3rd, sign. Now you can download your subscriber agreement. I'm just going to simply hit close. I have no need for that. Now from here, let's just see, is there anything else we have to click on? And I'm going to go ahead and scroll on down, and I got to accept cookies. I'm going to click accept right over here. Now, the next thing you're going to need to do is go right over to the TradingView website, tradingview.com. So now once you get TradingView opened up, there used to be a way on the bottom. I'm not sure how to do that right now. I don't know if I click anything or whatnot, but right up here on the top where it says trade, you simply click on that button. And then right here, keep in mind, these are going to be the allowed brokers that we talked about earlier in this video. And since we're dealing with prop firms and CQG data, we're going to want to simply click right here where it says Tradevate. Now, once I click there, we want to go ahead and enter our username and password that we got from the Apex dashboard. Then we want to simply click, make sure that's on demo. Go ahead and click connect. Oopsie doopsie, we get an error message. So what is this error message all about? Well, basically, we want to go right up here to the settings where it says application settings, top right-hand corner of the screen. From there, we want to go where it says add-ons. Once you click on add-ons, you can see right here where it says TradingView. We'll simply click activate. And now you can see it's included in the plan. So now let me go back and try to go ahead and connect. Bada bing, bada boom. We are now connected. Now, if you guys like to learn what changes Apex has recently made, then you want to make sure to watch this next video right here.